The Rafale fighter jet, an advanced multirole aircraft manufactured by Dassault Aviation of France, has significantly bolstered the capabilities of the Indian Air Force. Its induction into the Indian fleet marked a transformative chapter in India's aerial defense preparedness. The Rafale is not just a fighter jet, it represents a strategic advantage, symbolizing power, speed, precision, and technology. With India's evolving security challenges and its focus on strengthening defense, the acquisition of the Rafale has garnered immense attention among defense analysts, aviation enthusiasts, and the general public alike. The Rafale is equipped with cutting-edge avionics, stealth features, and advanced weaponry that make it one of the most formidable aircraft in the world. It can perform a wide range of missions including air superiority, ground support, aerial reconnaissance, and nuclear deterrence. Powered by twin-Snecma M88 engines, the jet can fly at speeds exceeding Mach 1.8 and has a combat radius of over 1,850 kilometers. What sets the Rafale apart from many other aircraft is its ability to carry a wide variety of weapons, such as Meteor-to-air missiles, Scalp cruise missiles, and Hammer precision-guided bombs. These weapons give the Rafale a lethal edge in both the long-range and short-range combat scenarios. India signed an intergovernmental agreement with France in September 2016 to procure 36 Rafale jets in flyaway condition. The deal was valued at around 59,000 crore rupees and included not only the aircraft but also maintenance support, simulators, spares, and advanced weapons systems. The first batch of Rafale jets arrived in India on July 29, 2020, amid considerable media coverage and public excitement. These jets were initially stationed at Ambala Air Force Station in Haryana, which plays a strategic role in India's western front. Later, the remaining jets were deployed to Hazimara Air Base in West Bengal, strengthening India's defense on the eastern front as well. Rafale's advanced radar system, known as the RB2AA, is one of the most powerful AESA, active electronically scanned array, radars in the world. It can track multiple targets simultaneously and is resistant to electronic jamming. Additionally, the aircraft's Spectra electronic warfare suite provides unmatched protection against radar-guided threats. It detects enemy radar signals early and can automatically deploy countermeasures, enhancing survivability in hostile environments. The Rafale also boasts a glass cockpit with a wide-angle holographic head-up display, HUD, touch-screen interfaces, and hands-on throttle and stick (HOTAS) control system, ensuring that the pilot can operate the aircraft efficiently during complex missions. Training and operational integration were critical aspects of the Rafale induction process. Indian Air Force pilots and engineers underwent rigorous training in France to familiarize themselves with the aircraft and its systems. The French Air Force also played a supportive role in helping with operational deployment and knowledge transfer. The Rafale has already participated in multiple high-profile military exercises and patrol missions, showcasing its capabilities in real-world scenarios. One of the major highlights of the Rafale's operational record in India was its participation in Exercise Desert Night 2021, a joint Indo-French air drill held in Rajasthan. During this exercise, the Rafale jets demonstrated their combat readiness, interoperability with other fighter aircraft, and adaptability to various mission profiles. They have also been deployed in combat air patrols near India's borders amid rising tensions, proving their strategic value in deterring potential threats. The inclusion of the Rafale has enhanced India's power projection in the region, allowing the Indian Air Force to maintain a technological edge over potential adversaries. It also sends a strong signal of India's intent to modernize its military forces with world-class equipment. The aircraft's performance, reliability, and flexibility have been praised by defense experts, and there is a growing call for India to consider acquiring additional Rafale jets in the future. Beyond its military significance, the Rafale has also captured the imagination of the Indian public, with widespread media coverage, video documentaries, and social media buzz. The sleek design, roaring engines, and combat prowess of the aircraft make it a popular subject for YouTube videos, attracting millions of views from aviation lovers and patriotic viewers alike. As India continues to advance its defense capabilities, the Rafale fighter jet stands as a symbol of strength, strategy, and technological progress in the 21st century.